Hi, and welcome to our tutorial on how to make a Princess Leia hair bun headband. This headband takes about 5 to 10 minutes to make, and the materials can be purchased for under $2. First, you'll need some yarn and some felt, and the felt and the yarn should be the color of your hair. The next thing that you'll need is a headband. You could also use barrettes and just clip them into the hair. So let's start with the two braids that you're going to need to make, one for each side of the bun. What I'm doing here is I'm creating 3 piles of strands that are going to be braided together to make that one long braid. Each of my strands have about 8 to 10 pieces of yarn. For a bun with a diameter of about 3.5 inches, I measured out each strand to about 2 feet long. Then I just tied the end together with another piece of yarn and started braiding. After that, I trimmed the ends and we're ready for the next step. Next, we need to cut the felt into 2 circles. I looked around the house for some circles to use as a guide. I decided to go with the white tape. It has a diameter of 3 inches. So the shapes that you're going to need are 2 circles and then 2 rectangle pieces that are basically going to secure the buns to the headband. Now all we have to do is take the braid and roll it up and attach that to the felt circle. I used a glue gun to attach the braid to the felt circle. So first I started by adding a little bit of glue to the tip of the braid, and then I started to roll it, and I added glue to one side of that roll and attached that to the felt circle. Okay, so this next step is not really necessary, but I'm a little OCD, so I trimmed some of the edges of the felt that I felt were showing when you held the bun on its side. Next, we're going to attach the bun to the headband. So it's important to keep in mind that you want the bun to cover most, if not all, of the ear, so you have to keep that in mind when you're positioning the bun to the headband. Next, you're going to add that rectangle piece of felt to sandwich the headband to the bun. Now I'm just trimming some of the excess felt. And we're done!